Musumbi Dr. William Ruto niwekia Saii kutwika mwiao mutalatala wa budget ya Mautiio. Kutwika silikali na unyivu wa ilovia mwiao uiitetheesya kutwaiisya syindu sya vata ta kuvathia aimi silingi bilioni 20 kutwaiisya usyaiithya wa liu bilioni yana 120 kuvathiwa muvia wa kisomo na bilioni 16 katunuili muviani wa uiiti Ben Musaunu kutwelesya.
Uvamwe na maumo maki ukwati kwitha mekumbilite nthi ya Kenya.
Lord, we are before you this morning to ascend the supplementary appropriation bill.
President William Ruto niwekia Saii mutalatala wa budget mwanya kwi umuthi itina wa kwitha na vitu kithiwe ni mbunge nene kwi matuku 31 mwaini muthelu.
Now therefore, Your Excellency, I have the instructions of the Speaker of the National Assembly to present to you, Your Excellency, the Supplementary Appropriation Bill 2024, which speaks to the reduction.
Mwiao uyu mwao ni wakwatilila maundu ma vata ta bilioni 20 kwi aimi bilioni yana 120 katono mwonza sya kukwatia mawali uku muviani wa kisomo sivo kumandika alimo maji ISS mianyani ya kutoa ovamwe na mikovo ya kisomo cha imanyisyo sya yuluka na help.
My father, this is a bill that is so important to our nation.
Bilioni 16 katono ile muviani wa uiiti ungua universal health coverage bilioni 3.5 sya kuongela misala ya maofisa ma polisi. Oingi mwao yumo ni watila utumei wa ilovia sya kimanza cha bilioni ya 145 katono mwonza ila ivathia wa maendeleo ngavani si itatu sya silikali ukava wa executive ya sya bilioni ya 139 katono nyanya mbunge ya kate ya sya bilioni 3 katono mwonza muvia wa koti na uo ya sya bilioni 2 katono 1 vomani ya silikali na ofisi wa monini wa president iyolwa na bilioni 6.
Tafadhali tukubaliane kama Wakenya ya kwamba we must live within our means. We cannot spend money that we don't have. We cannot have a budget that we cannot fund. And that is why we have to cut down on expenditure. I said yesterday we are cutting down. The budget Parliament had done of 4.2 trillion, we are cutting it down to 3.7 trillion. We are removing 500 billion because we must cut the size of the cloth that fits our size. Hatuwezi kuendelea to live large. It will be reckless. It will be irresponsible. And it will be a betrayal to the nation of Kenya if we continue to borrow money and risk our country defaulting when we know that we can live within our means and we can cut down on our expenditure, we can enhance our revenue, we can reduce on wastage, and we can stop corruption so that Kenya can move forward.
Vilingi wa Mauvo Mutongo TV, nyenita wa Ben Musawo.